You know the moment while you are speaking to a group of people, all of a sudden something happens and you feel like you're not making contact. Something goes wrong. It feels like the room is slowing down. Your ears are humming and you're thinking, this is embarrassing. How do you stop being nervous during a presentation? This can be very hard for a lot of people. Over the last 20 years, I have been in that situation so many times. I've learned a special technique, and that is there is a story that flicks up and flares up in our brain that's telling us something by saying, you're not making sense. This is embarrassing. That person is yawning. You are losing the plot. I would say do a fact check. Is that true? Is everybody asleep? Yes, then it's true, right? But if just one person yawns, it could be they had a late night. But now we're seeing that as my whole speech is a disaster. It's actually not. It's just an isolated incident. So stop being nervous by taking all these inputs or whatever comes into your brain that it's not working, it's terrible, it's a disaster, it's not perfect, and turn down the volume and say, have a quick look around. Is everybody paying attention? Is everybody still listening? And if that is the case, it's just a wrong signal coming to your brain. Turn it off and keep focusing. What I sometimes do is, if that happens to me, I would use the word SO and I would say, so here's what we're going to do for this. Or I would go, so let's quickly recap, because sometimes my brain would go into a different state and I need to snap it back to just go back to where I know I can pick it up. And the word is so. So I say, okay, so here's what we're going to do. Or I take a short activity and I say, people, talk to the person next to you for 1 minute and tell them what is your biggest fear in X. Or, hey, what is the most important thing for you when it comes to customer service? And by doing that, I would get people quickly back into the room, myself back on track, and I will go on. But when this flares up, do a fact check. And if it is a fact that people are falling asleep and doing that, then you need to do something. Change your speed, change your tempo, do an activity, get people to stand up, take a stretch, look if the air conditioning is not too hot, if it's not too dark inside there, so that we can actually take action and fix it. But majority of the time, what I have seen, it's just a bit of insecurities that's creeping up. Turn down the volume and keep going. My name is Trevor Ambrose. If you need more free content, head to our website at trevorambrose.com or join us on any of our social media platforms.